saved for 2 years. 2 years. And after 2 years, see, now when I lift up, it's very light, very light. It's different than the eggs I just bought from Kroger. This is much heavier, this is much lighter. I want to see what's the difference. And also, I want to, before we open this one, I want to compare the real nature eggs and the one we bought in the Kroger. And it's called the free range organic eggs. What's the difference? What are the real nature chicken eggs looks like? So these are the eggs gave to me from my patient. She actually she has raised her own chickens in her backyard. Just really, just let them just freely to eat whatever they like, and just go wherever they want. They have a huge backyard, and I can see see the eggs are different. So that's a small. This is the size are different. Can see the size. Big and small, very different size for nature. So that's the big one and the small one, and then these are all like see, that's a different. This one and this looks similar, and this one different, and this one I think is big. So real eggs are from the size, the shape are different. The real nature chicken like eggs, that's different. And then the one I bought from Kroger, the also called organic eggs. See, almost everyone is the same. The same size, same shape, almost. It's still called that's free range organic, so still different, so it's still different. It's so this one is, and also I found the real nature eggs is more like a kind of more oval shape, more thinner, more thinner, and the one in Kroger. So the one in Kroger is much rounded. Nature one is more like the oval shape, like almost everyone is like this shape. So the one in the Kroger is like more round, bigger. See, that's a different. So we can know. Now many people don't really like understand what's the real nature looks like. In actually, when I treat patients, that's the same. Every person is different. Like the big one, the small one, and also this one. So nature, real nature, like a human, is different. So when we treat people, it's everyone the medicine, the protocol treatment is all it should be changed. Each person, not just like right now in the hospital, you go to and they give you the same in same symptoms, give you same protocols, and no matter like the how much weight you have, like how big you are, how small you are, they give the same thing. That's not right. That's for nature. We need treat everyone differently. It's not treat us like a machine. and say those are mass product eggs is almost the same. So that's if we treat everyone the same, we are like a machine. Okay, now come to see this eggs saved for 2 years. See what it looks like when I open it. I'm very curiously what it looks like inside after 2 years. Okay, very light. This one fresh, it's heavy, much heavy. Very light. So if I open it, see what's inside. Everyone is very nice. I guess it's already for 2 years. So I open it now. Oh, it's very hard, difficult to broken. I couldn't broke it. I couldn't broke it. Oh, now I broke it. Oh, let's see what's inside. Wow, it's almost dried. See, after 2 years. Oh, after 2 years. So what's inside? See, that's the egg. After 2 years, what's inside? It's very hard. It's almost as hard as a shell. This one is actually harder than this one. But this one is harder than this one. See, can you hear? Can you hear it? It's no liquid like a. Okay, then I'll compare the. See this one, which one? I hit together. I say which one will hurt. We're broken first. Okay, so this one's still broken first. This one for 2 years. This one's fresh eggs. Broken first. See, there's another one. Let's see what's inside. The same. I think the all dried inside. Can I take it out? I couldn't take that out. I just see that's the same like the another one, like this one, the same inside. So the eggs, I think after 2 years, it's already dried and become hard, but it's still lots. The smell is okay. The smell is fine. It's not like a spoiled, no smell at all, And I use this one for another one for the nature, the real nature eggs. This one big one. See which one is. Which one? It's all different. Oh, see, the real nature one is broken first, and this one still is okay. So that's the difference. See, this one is like a Kroger called like the organic eggs, and when I use this one for 2 years and they hit together, this one broken first. So this one is much thicker. And this one is the real nature one. See and then when they hit together, this one broken first. So another difference between the real nature egg and the egg we call the organic egg is not only the shape different, it's more oval shape and different size, and this one is more similar size, similar shape, and this one is much thinner. The shell is much thinner than this one. This is much thicker, So this one should be lighter, and this one heavy. We call it, or we say, oh, this is big. Actually, it's much heavier, the thick. Let's see what's inside difference. I'll get a bowl. Come here. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, so we'll compare what's inside. This one I use this is silver bowls, pure silver bowls, like 99.99% silver balls, huh? And so I'll crack this one. Ooh. Okay, so what's inside? This one is from Kroger, Nature Organic, and this one is the one from real egg, like a real fresh nature egg. Let's see. Oh, maybe I move it here. Let's see. This one is much, inside is much thicker. Inside is much thicker than the nature one. Okay, and the shell is much thinner. This one is much thicker. This is much thinner. Can you see? This is much thick, this thinner. And inside, see, this one is the nature, or like organic. I will see. How can I see? Can you see? This one is the Kroger one. This one is nature eggs. So this one is much like yellowish. This is a light yellowish one. And I noticed. I remember when I was a child, we buy that egg. I think it's even nature than the curd the eggs give to from my patient, because the food the chicken eat now still like more poisoned. And when I was a child, the food the chicken eat is more less poisoned, and it's better food. So I remember when I was a child, there is no like the white color. Can you see the white things here? It's all yellowish. And now every egg seems to have the white things there. So more natural one is more yellowish. The color more yellowish, more dense inside. And the less natural one, the eggs, like the shell, is more thick and more heavy, and the shape is more similar. And this one, like a natural one, is all different shapes. And this one, this is just for fun. 2 years, 2 years sick. It's inside. I just curiously what's happened. Just this one, very also still yellowish. Nature. It's not like a bad smell at all. It's just all dried. It's fun. It's fun, just for fun. Okay. That's why I have been waiting for 2 years trying to find out. And so try to, anything, nature is still different. Even though actually in the apple we can see how if you buy from the Kroger, and the one is a real nature, and when you present if you are very sensitive person, like you high you can sense the different energies. The one from Kroger, you can see the two apples are different. One is really organic apple, one is massive productive apple. The energy is different. So that's why we need the energy, like eat the local food. Another thing I want to say here is eat local food. Why? And also seasonal food, because in this weather, like local food is match this areas the environment, and it can balance the nature. So for example, you could for like a coconut tree grow in the tropical area. They don't grow up in here. Even the Virginia is cold. We don't see any coconut tree because we are too hot here. and the coconuts. So in the tropical area, that can bring cold into, people's body to balance the heat. And then in Virginia, it's too cold. We don't need that cold food in our body. We need a warm food. Another thing is that seasonal food. Why we need the seasonal food? Because like winter time is cold, and summertime is warm and hot. And the watermelon naturally grow up in the summertime. So the watermelon bring cold in our body and to balance the hot weather. But in the winter time, we don't see the watermelon because winter time we need warm. So that's why we need to eat the local food. We need to eat the seasonal food because the nature knows how to balance itself. That's the best for our health. So right now we can buy all seasonal food. We can buy almost anywhere's food. That's not really health. So this is we need to know the reason why nature balances itself. Okay. If you have any questions, I can answer questions. But if you don't, then I'll end this video now. This is just for fun, okay. So I will close now. Thanks for watching, and go to my YouTube channel and you can watch more. I hope you're self-healing for tips. I think everyone is your own best doctor. You are the best doctor. So if you learn those knowledges, you can help yourself, keep your health. So how do you get the eggs? Oh, the eggs, this one I purchased from Kroger. This one, the natural is like a patient gave to me. So that's why I get this idea. So I'll compare to it because this is very nature. You can see this tiny one. compared to the big one, we can see how this is big. See, this is tiny. and this one is I live in the refrigerator for almost 2 years. I forgot. So it's okay. I'll come back together. What to drink for cough? What to drink for cough? Right now, the cough is caused by the virus, COVID virus or flu virus. It's most bring much coldness. So help you coughing, you need a warm, like get rid of the cold from your lung, help your lung getting health. So ginger, you can eat lots of ginger, but the ginger need to peel the skin. The skin is bring cold in, like the fresh ginger inside that's bring warm for your body. And also in winter time, I'm not sure where are you, if you in this this area, not in another half of the earth, that's cold, winter time. We have lots of heating. The heating makes the air too dry, and the lung is like the plants. The plants need watering, so the lung need humidity high to keep the lung health. So you need the make the lung moisture high is around 50%. So that can really make a difference. People have asthma, the humidity high, then make them much better, feel much better. Yeah. Okay, UK, yeah, that's probably the same. So make the humidity high, like 50%, but not too high. Human also balance itself. So too high will hurt the spleen function. Too low hurt the lung function. So keep 50%. Yeah. So if you yeah, UK, that's good. You can continue. Lots of knowledges actually I will put on my YouTube channel. You can subscribe and give me a thumb up. No problem. Just ask me questions. I like to answer questions. And the UK is very, I think, cold. I have a patient from UK, a professor from Duke University, and yeah, he also have told me lots of things in the UK, like those environment. Okay, any other questions? If not, I'll end it here now. Okay, bye.